So to untink your bind off, what you want to do is remember how we pulled this through our last stitch. So you want to use your needle to take that out. And then you can see your final stitch here. So we just take this strand out of there and put your needle through it. Okay, and then we're going to work that way. So I like to use this other needle to keep this secure. But then you're going to see the stitch right below it. Can you see that? It makes that little V shape. And we're going to put that back on our left needle. We just go in through the front of it. And then we take this needle out and gently tug on that yarn to kind of pop that next stitch out. So we stick our needle through there to keep it secure. And again, there's that V shape underneath it. And we put the left needle through, take this out, and pop. There's the next stitch. Needle through, see the V, put our needle through, take the needle out, pop. And then we just continue like that down the line till we get to the end. So when we come to the final stitch, you're going to see that V down in there again. So grab that, pull this out, and then there's one stitch left. And if you put that on the needle, that's going to be like you've just knit that stitch. So you could start your cast on over, or you could tink back and take it out and knit some more rows or whatever you wanted to do.